So, Kristina, thank you so much for joining us for this interview. Obviously, you're working with FL Technics, in particular specializing in EASA Part 147 technical training. Now, you've got quite a lengthy background working with B2B businesses for over a decade now. Could you give us just an overview of the current climate and market in technical training in the Middle East, which is a market you're currently working with?
Hi, Michael. Pleasure to be here. Aviation maintenance training in the Middle East is growing fast. They are expecting to hit $60 billion by 2034 MROs. So the demand for highly skilled professionals, engineers, is increasing. Companies are looking for high quality, effective, EASA compliant training. With the FL Technics training, we've been supporting our own FL Technics maintenance staff, our partners, our clients for 20 years now. And with our excellent programs, we are ensuring that aviation industry safety and efficient operations.
You've mentioned something quite interesting there. You've been in the decade as FL Technics for over 2 decades. You've been in the industry, the technical training industry, for over 2 decades now as FL Technics. What are some of the developments that you're focused on as a company right now for technical training in the Middle East in line with the demand that you're seeing?
FL Technics technical training is EASA Part 147 approved and is truly global. We are in 5 continents, operating in 5 continents, and with internationally approved capabilities. So we are delivering flexible solutions, classroom training, practical training, also virtual sessions with live sessions, with instructors. We can conduct training at clients' locations. We can conduct training in our facilities. And also we have an online platform, which is for self-paced learning with pre-recorded videos. So, our focus is to continue delivering the top quality training in the market that aviation experts, aviation professionals can get the skills they need to keep fleets safe and airworthy.
On the aspect of training, especially training for aviation professionals, in the industry, you do hear a lot of, news and media and attention on training for pilots and crews, but there's also a need for demand and a need to focus on training for aviation professionals, technicians, and engineers as well. So we've been talking today about your capabilities as FL Technics, EASA Part 147 technical training. What's your forecast on demand for this year, as well as for the next 5 years and into the decade?
So aviation industry is definitely growing fast, and with that, a need for highly skilled engineers, aviation professionals is increasing. So technical training, training is a foundation of all, and companies are putting their strategic investments into training. They are putting their strategic investments into their workforce. So at FL Technics Training, we are fully prepared to support this growing industry with our technical training solutions.